Hi guys. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to use Scratch. So first we go to the Sprite library. Now we can pick any sprite we want. I am going using the cat. Now let's go to the background library. Now we can pick any background we want. I am going using the blue sky. Now I'm going to drag the cat down. Now we can add some code to it. Now that we're done, we can now go to costume. Now we can change the color using the paint bucket. You can press the fill to change the color. You can press the pipette to pick a color. Now we can run the code. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.